So you want to swap an AOD into your classic Mustang or your classic Ford? Well, check this out. This is a 1990 supercharged Thunderbird. This is very, very cool, but it's always good to look for the later 80s cars because they are the ones that will have the AOD. Let's look under this thing and see what we find. And this looks to be like the correct AOD oil pan. Another way to make sure you have an AOD and not an AODE, which requires the use of the computer, is to look on the passenger side and see if there's an electrical connection here. And there is not. But you might want to pass on this one because it is supercharged, and you're gonna bet this thing was driven pretty hard. So let's skip on this one.